Hello everyone, today I will show you how to transfer your data to the hard drive, the portable hard drive. So for that reason you need a laptop and you need a portable hard drive. So here we got the portable hard drive. So we have two hard drive here. This is a 1 terabyte hard drive and this is the 5 terabyte hard drive. So you have to connect in the USB. I'll show you this side. Even you can see this is also connected with the USB. There is two port here, one and another this side. So I have connected both the hard drive. So what I am doing here, so I am transferring the data or photos which it is having here in 1 terabyte to the 5 terabyte. So everything will be storing here. So first I will try to full this, then I will use this one. So now I am going to transfer all this files to this one. So after connecting, what you have to do, so you have to open the window explorer here. So for that you have to type the shortcut window E. So if you will press window E, then this type of window explorer, one window will open. So there you can see this is the passport drive name is there. You can see, I'll take more closer. So there is two hard drive. One is Soma 2 terabyte, another is One Touch. So I am transferring the file from Soma 2 terabyte to the One Touch. So you can see I have to just do the Control C copy. So I'll show you. Control C means it will select all the files. So for example, you can see I have selected 1 2 3. So these three file I am going to transfer it to this hard drive. So you can see already it's being transferring. You can see after you will do the copy and you have to paste it in the One Touch. So for example, I'll show again. It is copying from Soma 2 terabyte to One Touch. So it's showing it will take another 2 hour 15 minute. So total 47.1 GB is getting transfer. So you have to wait until this window will go. Once the window will go, then you will know that your copy has been finished. So this is the way you have to transfer your data from hard drive. If you want, then you can transfer your data either from laptop to the hard drive or hard drive to laptop. Whatever you want, you can do. So for copying, Control C you have to do. For paste, where the destination you want to paste, you have to do the Control V. And to open this Windows Explorer, you have to press window E. Simultaneously you have to press, I'll show again, window E. So once you will press, then this window will open. So better you open two time Windows Explorer, one side this one and this part another. So from where the source you are copying the file, and this is the destination. So if you will open this, then simultaneously it will be easy for you to know how is the transfer going on. So if you are new to our channel, go ahead and subscribe, like this video and share it with your friends and family.